Hey everybody, what's going on and welcome back. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so bear with me as I get back into the groove. Today I want to show you how to solve a common use case amongst organizations. That use case is being able to take advantage of some of the API features that many applications nowadays have and being able to integrate that into your ITSM platform. I'm going to be using ServiceNow today. It's fairly common across many industries for use. And ultimately, what we're going to be doing is walking through a use case where an individual would have the ability to submit a standard catalog item request, and then that catalog item kick off a custom workflow that reaches out to an API, gets a user's status, and then makes a decision on what action needs to occur next. Namely, for my use case, whether or not that individual needs their access unblocked or not. And then, of course, that custom flow is not just going to tell us whether or not that needs to happen, but also then actually take the action. And we're going to do essentially a GET request to get the user status, and then a POST request to update the user status into app. Have all that information posted back to the ServiceNow catalog item in the work notes for that lovely audit trail and record. So a quick overview of where we're going today. We're going to quickly go over how to create a new application via App Engine Studio, and then how to build out a standard catalog item. Then we're going to build a couple outbound REST messages, and then finally we're going to build that custom flow. With our overview out of the way, let's jump into building that application inside of ServiceNow. Again, go look it up yourself, review ServiceNow's documentation, but suffice it to say, an application is a scoped application is basically just this little bucket that you can put all your updates that you're making into a single space, and that space being a scoped application that allows you to carry those changes that you make in a downstream environment up from maybe dev to a test to a QA or to production, however your organization has that configured. So the first place we want to get to is, as I mentioned, App Engine Studio. So I've got my dev instance of ServiceNow pulled up here for us to work in. And so jump up to all and type in App Engine. And it's right here, App Engine Studio. This will probably be the quickest leg of our journey today. All right, under Quick Start, select Create an App. And we need to give our app a name. I'm just going to name mine pretty basic. I'm just going to call it a RESTful app. And I'm going to give it a brief description, although not required. And we're just going to say application for a catalog item to interact with an API. Correct my spelling. All right. We also get the option to drop in an app logo. I have one pre-made up, so I'm going to take advantage of that. There's my Christmas colored app logo. Select Continue. ServiceNow will default it into the default admin and default user role. That's fine for my purposes. Obviously, follow whatever your organization's standards or policies are as it pertains to who can access this application, either in a view only or an administrative type mode.